In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a swept wing. So if you're going to be working on a swept wing, you're actually pretty lucky in that OpenVSP by default creates a swept wing for you. So all you got to do is go up, add a wing, and there you go. Now this isn't going to conform exactly to your requirements, so you will have to make some modifications to it. So if I go to the top view, we are going to be focusing primarily on the section tab in your wing browser. To control the amount of sweep, we just use this slider here, or you can directly input it here by double clicking in that window like I'm doing here. So right now we've got 30 degrees of sweep, and that's defined at the leading edge of the wing. So this angle here between this line and then the leading edge of the wing is 30 degrees. So if we want more sweep, let's say we want to double that to 60 degrees. That's all we have to do. So now you can see this is quite a bit of sweep, and you're not likely to have this much sweep with this aspect ratio. You can either increase your root chord by using this slider here. And if for some reason, let's say the taper ratio is selected and you weren't able to modify like either the tip chord or root chord, you can just highlight these bubbles here. So if I want to just have control over the root and tip and then the span, just select those bubbles. But for most of you, a swept wing, you might be doing an airliner. If that's the case, you're going to probably have less sweep than this. You might be, let's say, 45 degrees, and your root chord to tip chord ratio is not going to be quite as large as I had it. So if I bring that in to something like that, and I can modify the span as I want to get something that mimics what you're going after. So that's really all that there is to it. It's very easy again, since you're starting out with that. All you're doing is modifying these two parameters predominantly, and then your span and your root and tip chord to match whatever specs you have for your particular design. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.